right, we're gonna check it out here in the sun. So you can see that change in color here on that front bumper to the fender. It is off. And then you can see right here, this is kind of popping out. And I do see glue stuck in there. It looks like they tried to glue it back in, and it popped right back out. Sounds really good. Got that sparkle though, it looks good. Out here in the sun, it really pops. All right, we're going on a quick test drive here. We have 42,347 miles on the odometer. Alignment is off. It's pulling kind of hard to the right. So if you let go of the wheel, you can see just kind of hang to the right. Brakes are feeling good. Let go, it definitely goes to the right there, so I'm gonna hold it left. Here, a little bit of creaking over here on the bottom left somewhere. It's very subtle. I'm gonna hit the brakes hard right now. Brakes are solid, no issues there, no vibrations in the wheel or anything like that. No creaks in the suspension. Shifts nice and smooth, no issues there. So you can see you got to hold the steering wheel a little angled to keep it straight. So alignment needs to be checked out. Otherwise, no complaints with the drivability. All right, we're going to do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find, and really just assessing the overall condition of the vehicle. Looking at the wheel, you have a little bit of chipping on that edge. You can see the finish is kind of fading, has some flaws in it. And then you have a gash right there in the tire. See kind of a chunk coming out of it. Date code 2023. Looking at the rest of the tire, it looks good. You can see this bumper's kind of popping out. You can tell the paint is different here to there. You can see the shades. A chip right there. Scanning that fender. Overall looks good. Some light scuffs. Down here, the plastic is kind of popping out. You have a gash right there. A-pillar looks good. You have some chips on the side. You have a larger chip here. You got some chips on the edge. You can see this lower section, of course, you're going to have little rock impacts, things like that. You have film right here protecting this little section. But if you look at this flare, it has been painted. So you're going to see dimples in the paint. You can see a lot of texture, kind of orange peel look. And then you're gonna see this has been painted as well. You're gonna see kind of heavy orange peel. So you can see the clarity here, and then it's kind of gone there. And I see little dimples in that paint. You have a large gash there. Looking at the wheel, there's some chips in there. That lower side, you have some rash right here. You have some rash right there. Middle of the wheel, you're gonna see typical chips. Looking at that front bumper, you can tell the color is off and it has been painted, so you're gonna see little dimples in the paint. Looking at the hood, so far that looks good. I do see some hard water spots and stains in the paint. See a chip there. Lighting looks good. Some light scuffs here. The nose of that looks good. Typical little trash in the paint, like I said, from that repaint. Overall, that splitter looks nice. You see that color transition. Looking at that flare, looks good. You have some gashes right here. Looking at this wheel, you have some scratches and little scuffs. See this piece kind of popping out. And there's little specks kind of all throughout the paint right there. Side mirror looks good. That rail looks good. Typical chips down the side. You see the impacts here. That looks good. Some rash right there. And day code on these tires are 2022. And there's some kind of trash in the paint here, so it looks like this has been repainted. And looking at that deck lid, you have some light scuffs and scratches, but overall looks good. And some light scuffs and scratches on that spoiler. Got these covers, and they are kind of popping off, and they're heavily faded, and you can see some damage on them. Looking at this back bumper, you do have a gash right there, and the kind of color transitions a little bit. I don't know if that's faded on the top here. You can see it, I think it's all faded here. You're gonna see some damage on the bumper, see the spider cracking. You look in here, you can see some gashes and some cracking. And this back bumper has been painted as well. So you're gonna see the trash in the paint, little texture. That probably is why it kind of faded here. The little scuffs and scratches. All of this is faded. So that's been painted as well. And looking at the roof, you have some scratches right here, kind of in this vicinity. All right, checking out the interior. It is a non-smoker. Now you have a lot of this kind of like fake carbon fiber inserts here, but it looks good. You have one there. You have it around the switches, the handle, got the striker plates here, and a couple of miscellaneous spots like right there. That trim looks good. You also have them right here. No floor mats with the car. That looks good. A little bit of wear on that bolster, but otherwise really nice. Looks like that is cracked, and it must have had one here, but it fell off because you're going to see the glue residue. The steering wheel's really shiny, but I'm not seeing a bunch of scuffs or scratches on it, just a few here and there. That looks really good. That is cracked, if you can see that. This is busted. Gauges look good. The screen looks nice. A couple dents on that metal. Few little scuffs on the shifter. You have some damage right there. It looks like something gashed it. Otherwise, this side looks good. All right, checking out this door panel. Got the carbon insert here, a little carbon insert there. Same on that handle. Overall looks good. No floor mats. That bolster looks nice. Seat bottom looks great. Got the carbon insert here. That side of the console looks good. Some light scuffs on the glove box. It looks like it had carbon here and must have fell off because you have some residue left over. Upper side of the dash looks good. Here on the headliner, it looks really nice. Looking in the back here, I know it's dark, really hard to see, but from what I can tell, it looks really good. All right, we're just gonna scan through the engine bay here. Upper side looks good. Looking at this side, all of that looks nice. All right, here in the trunk, overall that liner looks really good. This upper side looks nice.